Hello, this video is from NakuLaser. This is 637 nanometer 12-watt red laser source. On the left is the laser power supply. On the right is the laser head, which is a heatsink at the bottom. The back of the laser head and laser power supply. Connect the power and data cables on the back. The control buttons for 3 working modes of CW/TTL analog are on the back of the power supply. The radiator is made of aluminium and has 2 cooling fans installed. 637 nanometer red laser beam. Install the laser. Connect the AC power cord. The data cable connects the laser head and the laser power supply. There is a small power interface on the side of the data cable close to the laser head for the cooling fan. In addition, the lock crystal head cannot be pulled out. External signal mod input, no need to connect in CW working mode. Turn on the laser. Turn on the power switch, the red button turns on, and the power indicator turns green. Turn on the laser switch, and turn the key to on. To adjust the working current, turn the adjuster knob clockwise. When the current exceeds the minimum working current, the laser indicator turns green, and there is laser output at this time. Adjuster rotates clockwise to the end, which is the max working current and the maximum output power of the laser. In addition, the red stop button is used for emergency stop, and it is not needed under normal circumstances. The shooting condition of the 637 nanometer 12-watt laser on the light shield. Please go to NakuLaser, find more laser products.